the highlights on this wig. It's definitely giving what I wanted it to give, and it is a completely glueless unit. Like, look at this, y'all. Completely glueless, okay? And the highlights on this wig are bomb. This hair already comes pre-cut. It has a 7x5" lace closure, so you're getting extra parting space, and the hair has tiny invisible knots on it, so you can barely see the knots, y'all. And I want to thank Nadula Hair for sponsoring today's glueless wig install for y'all. I'm so excited to share how I installed this wig. We're going to unbox the hair. I'm going to show you how I put it on, how I styled it today, defined the curls, all of that. So if you're interested in finding out how I did all that, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. So here is the wig and its packaging. I love that wig companies are definitely stepping their game up with the packaging. This holographic carrying case is super cute because you can reuse it after you install the wig. And then the wig also comes in the box right here. The wig came inside of this plastic bag here, nice and secure, y'all. So the wig also came inside of this netting here to protect the hair. I'm gonna go ahead and remove that and I'll be right back, y'all. So here is a close-up of the hairline. It is a 7x5" HD lace closure wig. It has super tiny knots, so this is one of their BYEBYE knot wigs, and the lace was already pre-cut with these baby hairs here. I also love the fact that they pre-cut the lace super close to the knots, because sometimes they give you like extra space here, and I always end up going back and cutting that, and I won't need to do that today, which is super bomb. As you can see, the color of this hair is black and blonde balayage. I think this is going to be super cute. I've never done this color on a jerry curl texture, so it's a nice curly texture, y'all, and this wig is 24 inches long, so I cannot wait to install this wig, y'all. She looks cute, right? Also, this wig has 180% density. Here is the inside of the cap, y'all. As you can see, it's a lot of lace here, 7x5. I have been loving these bigger closures on glueless wigs. I think it's super bomb that they're doing bigger closures now. And on the inside, there are no wig combs at all, except for in the very back, which is the only place that I like to use my wig combs. So I love this. And then it does have the silicone grip around the inside of the cap, which keeps it from slipping once you install it on your head and allows you to wear it glueless. And then it also has this elastic band, and the elastic band also has this silicone on it as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation under the lace, and I'll be right back. So I went ahead and tinted the lace with my foundation. I used the NARS Natural Radiant Foundation in the shade New Caledonia to tint the lace under my wig. It never fails me, but use whatever foundation you have that you feel matches you the best. You could go a little bit darker. I find that that helps a lot. So let's go ahead and install the wig. I cannot wait to see what it's gonna look like on me. Y'all, these wigs are looking so good lately. Like, completely glueless, and it's nice and secure on my head too. I love that. And then this color, yes, so cute. So now it's time to define these curls because I want these curls to pop, y'all. Especially since this hair has been colored. I feel like if you don't define the curls, it can kind of make the wig look synthetic even though it's a human hair wig. So I went ahead and defined the curls on this side as well, y'all. And this is what we are currently working with. I'm gonna go ahead and let the hair finish air drying. If you like to diffuse the hair, you can go ahead and do that to save on time. But I love air drying the hair. So that is what I'm gonna do. And then I'll be back once it finishes air drying to show y'all the final look. So I went ahead and I let the hair fully air dry, y'all, and this is what we're working with. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of this Garnier Moroccan Sleek Oil, and I'm gonna use this to break up the curls a little bit. The reason I'm adding the oil to my hand is so when I break up the curls, it doesn't get super frizzy because we don't want frizz. So I'm just gonna break up the curls with my hands a little bit and see what we're working with. And that's it, y'all. Look at this hair. It's so pretty, right? So here is the finished look right here. I'm absolutely loving the way that this look turned out. The highlights on this hair just give it that extra that I was looking for. If you're interested in checking out this wig from Nadula Hair, I will leave a link down below in the description box. Nadula.